What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a video about my Raptor that I got. I haven't talked about it much, but this is it right here. It's a Raptor 700R, a 2008. I'm filming on a new camera on a GoPro. Look what I installed. Hell yeah. So now we can do some vlogs with this. I'm gonna go pick up my other exhaust because I have this one on because the other one broke. Yeah, you guys, this thing's a monster, man. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna be doing like rutas, things like that. I'm gonna be going to the wash here. Maybe, who knows? I don't know. I'm gonna try to do a lot with this thing. I've been riding it a lot. I went to Doom on Dune last week, as you guys saw that video. But look at that. This thing's complete, man. It's a 2008. But I'm gonna go get the other exhaust. I just had this one on to test the new levers that I got. Got these new ones. On the Amazon post, they said that they would go all the way forward, but they don't go all the way forward. Supposedly they're the ones that, like, if you crash, they're gonna bend forward, but I don't know what's going on, man. Got the e-brake on and everything. But let's go to Home Depot because I need to buy a new screw. Alright, you guys, it's Monday morning. No más. Bájale, güey, son pinches 7 de la mañana. 7 in the morning, this idiot right here. Ya como si es dueño de la casa. You have blue face mask? Yeah. Alright, guys, so we stopped by the store real quick to the dealership in Mountain Motorsport right here in Ontario. Got some new gloves. I needed them. The ones I had before se me acabaron en Duma. Like, they ripped. Pero vamos a ir a Buffalo Wild Wings, huh? Alright, you guys, check it out. We got a GoPro now. I just need to buy a memory card. We just got to Best Buy right here. What do you guys think? The Best Buy outlet. Dice que venden las cosas más baratas. La Best Buy aquí, vamos a ver. So probably next clip will be on the GoPro. If not, I'll record a bit inside. Mira, VIP parking y todo. Hey guys, so this is the GoPro. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Tenemos al pinche Cristian manejando, el chofer. I bought a memory card. They didn't end up having it at the first spot we went to, so we went to the original Best Buy. Así la tenían. So right now we're gonna go to the house. I'm gonna change the muffler on my moto because the one I had before, it cracked, and I got the original one, so I'm gonna put the original because my boy Alan is fixing the other one. Alright, you guys, we also got a little upgrade for the motorcycle. It's gonna put in work. It's gonna look pretty fresh. Check it out. We're definitely gonna change them right now. We're gonna try see if we can, because podemos madres para todos mecánicos. It's a clutch and the front brake levers. Look at that, it's gonna look fresh right here. Or this is the wrong side, I think this side goes on this side. Yeah, I think this one goes here. Big difference, what do you guys think? It's gonna match like with the frame color, like show them the frame. A little bit, just this little newer, it's a little older. But ahí va. What do you guys think I should do next to the motorcycle? Let me know down in the comments. We're gonna make a lot more off-road videos. Alright guys, so we just installed it. Nomás nos faltó este pedacito porque el otro muffler se quedó con él. I'll tighten up. We're gonna start it with the original muffler. I've never heard it like that, so let's see what's up. Go. Sounds kind of weak, huh? Oh no, hell no. It's a huge difference. Damn. It's a huge difference, huh?
Yeah, I have.
It's not as loud. What do you think, Ulises? Say what's up to the vlog. Have you ever been in one of my vlogs?
No, I don't think so.
Pues saludazos. Show me your car. Talk about your car. Go talk about your car.
It's not good, dude.
What? What's wrong with this?
This is quiet, dude. It's quiet.
Huh? His car's pretty sick. It's twin turbo y todo, un Genesis, huh?
No mames.
Ah. It wants to get gapped ASAP by the Raptor. Check on la Icona.
So, it's Reese. No.
Nah, no. Alright guys, you guys probably just watched a couple little clips that I was that I recorded from yesterday. My car's a fucking mess, but vamos a ir a Home Depot bien rápido. I don't know how good you guys can see me right here. This GoPro doesn't have a screen where I can see myself when I'm recording and things like that, but let's go to Home Depot and then to pick up that exhaust, and we'll install it and then do some clips, test the camera at night, things like that. So I'm just trying out the GoPro. That's what this video is about. Installing the exhaust, showing you guys the levers, a couple little things like that. So get ready for these off-road videos. They're gonna be sick.
Vive
Alright, you guys, so this is the one I wanted to replace because look how I got these. They're a little bit better. Hopefully they fit good, but check out what I got. Look at that. Support your local vendors, man. Fire for the family. Alright, guys, so he didn't end up welding it. Well, he did weld it. He did put some tacks, but he told me originally it was just sealed with silicone, and the silicone got old and it just fell out. But he put in new silicone and put some tacks, so it should be good there. But let's take out that original one so we can install this one. This one sounds way better. Alright, guys, so I try to hurry up and do it before it gets too dark. There's a new exhaust. Looks a lot better than the black one. So let me open up the garage door so you guys can hear it. Now I'm gonna intoxicate myself here. As you guys can see, it's barely 5 p.m. and it's getting dark already, man. These freaking time changes. Let's see. You guys ready or what? Oh, we're in business now. I need to take this out. From a flag that I was using for Duma. Hell yeah, way better. The little rattling noise is from the flag thing. I'm gonna take it off right now. Check out my boy Max, fucking king right here. Said I'm out. Alright, guys, so let's do a little test run. Let me throw my GoPro onto my helmet, see how it looks. There we go, clipped. I think it's a little up too much right now. We'll fix it. Let me put my helmet on. Let's go. I'm just gonna do a quick little spin and see how it goes. Alright, guys, so this is where I ride right here, and I don't know how good you guys can see. It's a little bit dark, but I'm gonna give a little spin around the little jump that I do here. Oh, but it rained. I don't know how it is. I haven't been here since it rained. Got the cows on the left. I'm still not 100% comfortable with my quad. I don't have that long with it, but ahí vamos poco a poco. We're getting better and better. Let's see, let's do a little test run. Let me know down in the comments how good you guys can hear me. I'm gonna try to talk while I'm riding, see if you guys can hear me at all. So let's go. yeah, you guys, I do need to practice on my shifting, because I do notice sometimes I'm in too high of a gear and the motorcycle se siente muy afuerzada. So yeah, let's hit one more little spin. We'll head back and see what it's like, see what the exhaust is like. Hopefully it didn't come off, but that should be good. But man, these Raptor 700s are no freaking joke. They are powerful, man. So yeah, let's head back. Lock up. Man, I freaking love this thing right here. Beast. Oh, no way. As you guys see, I'm not really comfortable with the new levers. They're a little bit more sensitive than the original one, but these are nice. Look at that. They're adjustable forward. They go more back. All right, so there you guys go. Let me know how the quality was on the GoPro and also the sound. Hopefully it sounded good. I don't know how it is during the night. I'm still messing with the settings, so it should be good. See you guys in the next one.